In the heart of the 12th century, as empires rose and religions clashed, a warrior emerged from the deserts of Tikrit. A man feared by his enemies, yet deeply respected. He would reclaim Jerusalem, not with cruelty, but with compassion. His name was Salahuddin Ayyubi. Salah ad-Din Yusuf ibn Ayyub, known to the West as Salahuddin, was born in 1137 in Tikrit, modern-day Iraq. His family were Kurdish Muslims. His father and uncle served in the powerful Zengid dynasty. From a young age, Salahuddin Ayyubi showed no hunger for war. He preferred scholars to swords. But destiny had other plans. As a young man, he traveled to Egypt with his uncle Shirkuh. It was a mission that would change everything. After Shirkuh's death, Saladin unexpectedly became vizier of Egypt. Soon, he was leading not just Egypt, but uniting a fractured Muslim world. By the 1170s, the Muslim world was divided, rulers fighting each other, while the Crusaders held Jerusalem. Salahuddin understood, without unity, there could be no victory. He set out to build an empire, not through fear, but through diplomacy, patience, and purpose. He abolished the Fatimid Caliphate, restoring Sunni orthodoxy in Egypt. He expanded into Syria and Mesopotamia, not by slaughter, but by forging alliances and outmaneuvering rivals. Then came the event that would ignite the Muslim world: the Crusaders' brutal attack on a Muslim caravan, violating peace. Salahuddin now had the cause he needed. It was time to reclaim Al-Quds, Jerusalem. In 1187, Salahuddin launched his campaign. At the Battle of Hattin, he shattered the Crusader army. Among those captured, Guy of Lusignan, king of Jerusalem, and the infamous Reynald of Châtillon, who Salahuddin executed for his treachery, October 2nd, 1187. After 88 years of Crusader rule, Jerusalem returned to Muslim hands. But what happened next stunned the world. There was no massacre, no revenge. Salahuddin Ayyubi spared civilians, allowed Christian worship, and even ransomed prisoners. He walked the path of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, mercy in victory. Even European chroniclers praised him. One wrote, "He was, in truth, a great prince, of great wisdom and of great moderation." But peace was short-lived. Europe roared back in fury. The Third Crusade arrived, led by Richard the Lionheart of England. Two legendary warriors now faced off. They fought fiercely, yet they respected one another. When Richard fell ill, Salahuddin sent his own physician. When Salahuddin Ayyubi's horse was lost, Richard gifted him another. Though Jerusalem remained under Muslim control, the war ended in a truce, not hatred. Salahuddin Ayyubi passed away in 1193. When his advisors opened his treasury, they found barely enough to pay for his own funeral. He had spent his wealth on the poor, on his people, and on the cause of justice. Even his rivals wept. He wasn't just a warrior. He was a symbol. Today, Salahuddin lives on, not just in history books, but in hearts. A reminder that true power is not in conquering lands, but in conquering hatred. In a time of division, he chose dignity. In a time of vengeance, he chose virtue. He was the sword of Islam and the light of chivalry. He was Salahuddin Ayyubi.